Hello everyone, welcome to our video on case study, Myntra's SEO success story. Myntra is one of India's leading fashion and lifestyle e-commerce platforms, known for its vast collection of brands and products. In recent years, Myntra has achieved remarkable success in SEO, significantly boosting its organic revenue and traffic. In this video, we'll delve into Myntra's SEO strategies and explore how they achieved such impressive results. Background: Myntra's SEO objectives. Myntra aimed to enhance its online presence by increasing organic revenue, improving keyword rankings, and driving more traffic to its platform. The company sought to optimize its website for better search engine visibility and user experience. Myntra's SEO strategies. 1. Microsite Concept. Myntra implemented a microsite concept to optimize its vast product catalog. By treating each category as a microsite, they created focused optimization plans for each, ensuring that every potential keyword was targeted effectively. This approach allowed them to optimize approximately 3 million pages, significantly improving their ROI through organic channels. 2. Technical SEO Audit. Myntra conducted a comprehensive technical SEO audit, addressing over 250 technical points and implementing hundreds of recommendations. This transformed their website into an SEO-friendly platform, resulting in a substantial increase in organic traffic. 3. Contextual Linking. The company improved its internal linking structure using Contextual Linking, which enhanced crawling for search engine bots and improved rankings. This strategy played a crucial role in maximizing Myntra's SEO performance. 4. Metadata Optimization. Myntra optimized its metadata by ensuring that each product page's meta title and description were concise, informative, and included relevant keywords. This helped improve click-through rates and search engine visibility. 5. Structured Data Implementation. Myntra made extensive use of structured data to enhance its search engine listings with rich snippets. This not only improved user experience but also increased click-through rates by making their listings more appealing in search results. SEO Strategies Chart. SEO Strategy Description Impact. Microsite Concept optimized categories like microsites, improved keyword rankings and ROI. Technical SEO Audit addressed technical issues to enhance crawlability, increased organic traffic and search visibility. Contextual Linking enhanced internal linking for better crawling, improved rankings and user experience. Metadata Optimization optimized meta titles and descriptions for relevance, enhanced click-through rates and search visibility. Structured Data implemented rich snippets for better listings, increased click-through rates and user engagement. Example: Myntra's SEO success story. Myntra's SEO success is a testament to the effectiveness of these strategies. By implementing the microsite concept, they were able to optimize millions of pages, resulting in a significant increase in organic traffic and revenue. Here's a detailed look at their achievements. Organic revenue increase. Myntra achieved a remarkable 187% increase in organic revenue through SEO efforts. Organic traffic growth. The platform saw a 150% increase in organic visits, showcasing the effectiveness of their SEO strategies. Keyword rankings. Myntra successfully ranked number 1 for over 10,000 keywords, demonstrating their dominance in search results. Technical SEO improvements. By addressing technical issues, Myntra improved its website's crawlability and user experience, leading to better search engine rankings. Tools and resources used by Myntra. SEO auditing tools. Myntra likely used tools like SEMrush or Ahrefs for technical audits and competitor analysis. Keyword research tools. Tools like Google Keyword Planner or Ahrefs were used for identifying relevant keywords. Structured data markup tools. Google's Structured Data Markup Helper was likely used to implement rich snippets. Measuring success. To measure the success of Myntra's SEO efforts, they tracked metrics such as organic traffic, keyword rankings, and conversion rates. These metrics provided insights into how their strategies were impacting their online presence and revenue. Conclusion: Myntra's SEO success story is a powerful example of how effective SEO strategies can transform a business's online presence. By focusing on technical SEO, metadata optimization, and structured data, Myntra was able to significantly boost its organic revenue and traffic. This case study highlights the importance of integrating SEO into your digital marketing strategy to achieve sustainable growth and visibility. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into Myntra's SEO success story. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more content on digital marketing and SEO. We regularly post new videos to help you improve your online skills and stay updated with the latest trends in the digital world. Subscribe now and hit the notification bell to stay informed about our latest videos.